Okay, so now we're going to do B. So calculate the perimeter and area of the following composite figures. And from the last screen, I changed this to 8. There was a little typo. So let's do the perimeter first. Okay, so we know that we need to go around here. So 8 centimeters and plus 8 centimeters plus whatever this is. Okay, so we know that this is a semicircle. So this is going to be half a circle. Okay, and we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So it's 2 times 3.14 times r. And if we look at r, it's going to be half of the diameter. So we just take the 2.5 and we divide it by 2. So our r is going to be 2 times 3.14 times 1.25. We're going to get 7.85 centimeters. Okay, so that is not the circumference of the semicircle. That's the circumference if we had the entire circle. So now let's divide that by 2. I'll actually write it underneath. Divide by 2. So 7.85 divided by 2 equals 3.925 centimeters. So when we are calculating the perimeter, we calculate 8 plus 8 plus 3.925, and we get 19.925 centimeters. 19.925 centimeters. Okay, now for the area. Let's break this up. This is going to be figure 1, our triangle, and figure 2, our circle. Well, semicircle. Okay, so triangle, same idea. This is isosceles. Therefore, we have to actually use Pythagorean's theorem to solve for the height. We have the base, now we need the height. So let's call this is C, and then the base is going to be, so let's call this B, 1.25. And remember, we're just taking the radius, we're taking half because we are only going to calculate half the area and then multiply it by 2. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, we don't know A, which is the height, but we know B, which is the base, and it equals 8 squared. Okay, so bring this over. We have 64 minus 1.25 squared is 1.5625. Okay, when we subtract these, I get 62.4375, and then we want to root it. Okay, I get A equals 7.9. Okay, so A equals 7.9. That's the height. Now we're able to take the area of the triangle is half the base times the height. Okay, so half the base is 1.25, times the height, which is 7.9. And we get half the base times the height, 4.9375. But then we have to multiply it by 2 because we only actually found the area of this part of the triangle, so only half of it. So multiply it by 2, 9.875 centimeters squared. Okay. Now for the circle, we have a semicircle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So we know it's 3.14, then we take our r, which is 1.25, and we square the 1.25. Okay, 3.14 times 1.25 squared is 4.90625. A little ugly, let's just say 4.9. And that is centimeters squared. So the area, I'm going to actually put it up here just so that there's a little bit more room. Let's put it in dark blue. Okay, the area of the composite figure is the area of the first shape plus the area of the second shape. So I get 9.875 plus 4.9. 9.875 plus 4.9. I get the area as 14.775 centimeters squared.